deep breath in. Exhale out. Let your shoulders become jello. Good.
Oh. Oh, jeez.
When that happens, good.
Oh, that's so weird.
This is the thoracic region. So deep breath in, tilt your head this way. Good. Good. And one more. Good. Take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way. I'm going to push. That's right there. Good.
Oh, that was nice.
That was nice. And I want you to take a deep breath in and out. I'm going to turn. Good.
Oh. That was really weird.
Just relax a little more.
Okay, right.
Whoa. All right, man.
Yeah. That was it, right? Have you take a deep breath in and exhale out. Tilt your chin up a little more again. Good. All right, so go on your side and then face me this way. Knee right there. And exhale all the way out. Good. Go on your back. That's good. And tilt your chin up a little bit more. There we go. And just relax as much as you can.
Yeah.
Be like,
How do you not kill me like that?
Just want you to relax a little more. Good. And then just a little more right here. Good. Just gonna push. You can feel that stiffness right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, jeez.
That's just like that. Good.
Oh. Yep.
We're good?
Yep.
Okay. Tilt your chin up a little bit. Good. Now relax the shoulder. Good. More. Good. So we have to open up this occiput area right there. So relax this lower. There you go. Good. Deep breath in and exhale out. Good.
Works out with me.
Breath in and exhale out. Deep breath in and exhale out. Good. Good. Take a deep breath in, exhale out, and push. Good right there. Good.
Oh, I felt that one though.
All the way down.
Yes.
Yeah. You okay?
Yes.
Roll you back this way. Push down. Take a deep breath in and exhale more. Good. Yeah, that was good.
Got it.
I'm gonna pull down this way. Take a deep breath in here and exhale out. Good. Good. Do this one. On this one. Deep breath in, exhale all the way out. There it is. Good. And one more, and exhale out, go. I didn't do it. Take a deep breath in, look up, tilt your chin up a little bit. Or keep it down, exhale, go. Exhale more. Exhale.
Oh, fuck.
I was like, went from middle spine all the way to the top of my neck.
Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. Tilt your chin up a little bit. Good. Oh, yeah. Good. Right here. Good. Relax just a little bit more. Good. 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 Take a deep breath in, exhale out. Good. Good. That was a lot.
Mm-hmm. Felt good.
All right. Let's have you take a deep breath in and exhale out. Look all the way up. Keep your chin up off the table. There you go. There it is. Whew. That was big.
Yes.
Now I'm going to take this a little bit more. I'm going to turn just like this. Good. Relax this upper body more. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. Good. Ooh.
Yeah.
That's all. That's all. I just want you to look up. So take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. More. Good.
Okay.
And I'm going to pull your head. I'm just going to go in one motion. Good. There it is. Relax. And tilt your chin upwards. More. There it is. A little bit easier of an adjustment. And up a little bit, don't tighten it. There it is. I'm gonna pull just like that. Good. Go right here. And exhale out. Good. Good. That was a big one. And push this. That was good.
It felt great.
Deep breath in and out. Good. Good. Deep breath in, out. Good. Tight. Might be also the jeans. Take a deep breath in, out. Good. Good. Yeah, it's the jeans.
Yeah.
There it is.
Ooh.
I did watch that video. I want to watch it.
You're going to do this. I'm going to have to turn this way. All right. I'm going to pull my hand just like this.
Okay.
Then you're going to turn like that. Good. So take a deep breath in and exhale. Good.
Ooh, that was good.
Bend your head more. Good. Relax your shoulders more. Good.
Oh, that one hurt a little bit.
Yeah, that side was tighter.
Yeah. That felt good though.
It's better than.
Yeah, it's better than laying down.